Hello everyone, welcome to Trade X On. Real trades, real capital, no demo, no hindsight. This channel documents my trading journey in real time, wins, losses, and everything in between. Last time, while I was recording the video, a few of my orders were activated, and one of them was ALHC, Alignment Healthcare. The trade was activated when the price went above the high of this inside bar, and my stop was under the low of the same inside bar. The first day the price was moving very well in my favor, but after that the price made a huge gap, as you can see, and my stop loss was hit, and because of the gap I lost more than I expected. I lost $41. I forgot to check about the earnings, and the earnings are the reason for this gap. Let's quickly talk about earnings. Earnings are the financial results that a company reports, usually every quarter. They include things like revenue, profit, and future guidance. During earnings, the market reacts to whether the company performs better or worse than expectations. I will show you here on TradingView. You can check when are the earnings for each of the stocks. It is marked with the letter E. Here is the day when the earnings were published, and here is the reaction. It is very risky to trade during earnings. It's something like gambling because you don't know in which direction the price could go and how further it could go. Price can move very fast in both directions, and often this is very unpredictably. You can see huge gaps up or down even if your setup looks perfect. That means your stop loss might not protect you the way you expect because price can jump over it. This is a visual representation of this. So even if your analysis is correct, the reaction can still go against you. That's why many traders choose to avoid trading during earnings and wait for the volatility to settle before entering a new position. I had to close my position the day before the earnings, but I made a mistake, and the result is minus 0.75% from my account. I have one another stock that has earnings tomorrow. This is OUST Ulster, and until the end of today's session I will close the position. We will talk about this stock a little bit later. So because of the earnings, as you can see, the gap was huge, and I was stopped out. I'm a little bit angry on myself, but it could be worse. So the result is a loss from this trade. This is another trade that was activated. I opened the trade here, and my stop loss was here. I was stopped out by the price, and this is another loss from my positions. Currently I have opened 4 positions. One of them is OUST. As you can see, The price opened very well today with huge profit, and the only thing that it should do was to go up and everything would be okay, but the price decided to go down, and when it started going down, I protected my position on break even because here was forming a huge red candle and I wasn't sure where this could stop, and as you can see my stop loss was almost hit during the drop of the price, and now there is a correction to the upside. Until the end of this session, I will close my position because of the earnings, and I don't want to gamble. One of the other trades that I opened is on Beam. Here, the price is moving up and down today. For now, I'm in red. I'm on $0, but the price dropped a lot from the high for the day, and that's not a very good sign. I hope that it will recover until the end of the session because this is a pin bar and these bar are often a signs for reversal. Here I opened another trade. This is CODI. We are around the zero, and I hope that the price will continue going up. This is a nice fundamentally behaving stock, and for now there is a good chance that the price will go up. We have made a new high, and it's good to see a little bit more decisive move on the upside and a close above this high. Then I will be much more positive about the development of this trade. Another trade that I opened is FORM, form factor. I opened the trade a little bit late. The price went up. I couldn't take the trade here, and I took it here because it was according to the rules of my strategy. But after that, the price continued moving down. I was on a $21 loss, and I thought that my stop loss will be hit. Fortunately, for now, I'm still in the trade, and the stop loss wasn't hit, and here's a small correction up of the price for today, and I hope that the price will close around the opening of this bar, but we will see what will happen. And this is my analysis for now. Remember, trading during the earnings is a very risky trading, and you should avoid this because this is just a gambling. This is not a trading. You are not trading according some rules because there are no rules during the earnings, and every perfect setup could become a nightmare. This is TradeX Zone. Trading is not about being right every time, it's about managing risk and staying consistent. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.